Damn, I'm trying to get these fucking jerseys off, man. For real. Sis, I got these jerseys for sale. 2 for $500. What's up?
You trying to sell those jerseys to me?
Yeah, what's up? One for you, one for your boo.
500 is looking. You think you good?
I'm saying though, favor for a favor, you know.
Okay. Let me see.
Come through. Come through.
Look what I got. Look, babe, what I got you. Yeah?
Oh shit! Get that shit to me.
One stepper, a two step. That's a new trip. A three step. A 4, 5, 6. That's a new trip. On the 7th day, I had to rest. One stepper, a two step. That's a new set. A 3 step. A 4, 5, 6. That's a new trip. On the 7th day, I had to rest. Your fashion is foreign. That shit is so boring. Wasn't made in America, it was made in New York. No retail fashion, lights, camera, action. This right here is the main attraction. Pay-per-view headlines, I'm what they here for. You what they chill for. They got my gear on. Louis Vuitton Dawn, that's that Dan Smith. Out the trenches, now in the ranches. What the
Yeah, so you know I got this dude coming through for this work. It's crazy how I ran into him. It's just a whole... That thing that's him right here. You open the door for me?
Yo.
What's good, bro? So yeah, man, you know I appreciate you, you know, getting this money. So you've been doing this, you know, so I got a spare key for you, man. Yeah, son, so you can just come through whenever, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I appreciate that, my guy.
My God.
Love
Come
you.
pick up whatever you need when you need to get it, you know what I'm saying?
Alright, say that.
Alright?
Alright, G.
Alright.
Alright, brother.
It's Young! Jill, don't ask me this petition in crib. Cody.
That's a dub and a blunt.
You watch it with your words, you watch it with your words. The clout is for the birds, the clout is for the birds. You watch it with your words, you watch it with your words. The clout is for the birds, the clout is for the birds. These niggas had the nerve, these niggas had the nerve. This bitch, I had the curve, this bitch, I had the curve. These niggas had the nerve, these niggas had the nerve. Niggas had the nerve. The clout is for the birds. You watch it with your words, you watch it with your words. The clout is for the bird, the clout is for the bird. You watch it with your words, you watch it with your words. These niggas had the nerve, this bitch, I had the
Watch it when you walk it, what you talk it, what you say. I got the pocket, pocket, if you sparking out your face. And my options dropping from my options, plotting what I take. You in the pot, that's your grave. I don't bring peace, I ain't your babe. If I bring peace, that shit go bang. Don't want no peace, I take the cake. I rock the streets like Kurt Cobain and pop her cheeks, bang, bang, bang. They don't wanna wake, these niggas better sleep. Acting Hollywood, I'm on the hills. Beverly, best believe, especially the shoe fits. I press the feet, I change the locks to your house. Fuck your couch and your extra key. Like texting me, better watch it with your words. Man, I'm stressing free, these niggas got some nerves. The background noise is telling me get blown. The dub in the blood, I'm fitting to get stoned. I rub on her butt, she fitting to get gone. And I watch what I sex when I text, she getting flown.
You watch it with your words, you watch it with your words. The clout is for the birds, the clout is for the birds. You watch it with your words, you watch it with your words. The clout is for the birds, the clout is for the birds. These niggas had the nerve, these niggas had the nerve. This bitch, I had the curve, this bitch.